Hi friends, today you are your own channel Creative Tech. In last video, all of you guys wanted to know about the email marketing, and that's why I make this video for you, all of you guys. Today I will show you how what is email affiliate marketing and how affiliate email marketing work. First of all, we will discuss about this one. Affiliate puts links in their emails. Affiliates puts their links on email. After that, customer click and convert. These link conservation are tracked. Okay, affiliates gets a commission from affiliate marketing and get their products and emails or so on. So now we will discussion our next program and next email marketing according to your all topic. So I'll show all of the work life here. First of all, I search here how to use email marketing, how to use email here, and we have to find email marketing, how to launch an affiliate email marketing here. Click this link and I'll discuss about all of the terms and conditions about email marketing and their solutions. And friends, look at here. If you want to know about email marketing, affiliate email marketing is an achievement based type of marketing that many companies take advantage of. It is business play their patrons for each visitors or clients bought by their marketing activities. To put it simply, you find a solution on like promote it on your own channel and get part of profit for every sale made. The strategy bring a lot in terms of lead generation and help maintain control over the cost per acquisition. What is even better, it can be leveraging across various channels, including email marketing. And with the 4 billion activities email user worldwide, setting up an effective email companion like boost the number of views to the content promoted and evenly increase conservation and revenue. And how we will create our conservation and revenue, today I will all the discussion expand and exaggerate to with all of you guys. What is affiliate marketing? Here's the explanation about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a method of affiliate marketing involves promoting affiliates links through highly targeted and well crafted email, such as letter creates to attract interest of your subscriber, which would improve the conservation rate and sits traffic. Here's a flowchart that also represent the traffic source for affiliate marketing, social network, search engines optimizations, blogging, email marketing, pay click here, and so on. And now we'll discuss in our other topic. So, friend, affiliate marketing is a quite different from traditional email marketing, marketing where the goal of promotion email companion to its sale. Here, you are not a sale rep, but rather a customer who shares the benefit of solution you use. This is why it's necessary to have a good set of skill to talk about the products naturally and be able to convince someone else to purchase it. Okay, it is important to keep in mind that making money from affiliate marketing solely depend on gathering sale. However, some companions pay affiliate network whenever a lead click on a specific link. Cost per cost, each time a lead completes a particular task, such as joining an email list. Cost per lead, which does not entirely depend on the sale, is made. Here again, this affiliate chart shown to your own for your understandings. Why use email for affiliated marketing? Why we use email for affiliated marketing? Then here all of the explanation are discussed with you guys. Regardless of the advancement in SEO and social media marketing, email continue to be most effective method of reaching out to your audience. 99% of customer go through there. You know, email for affiliate marketing, say 99% of your customer go through there. Email each day as survey carried out the US reveals that about 50% of respond check their inbox up to 10 times per day. This creates a lot of opportunities for affiliated marketing to generate a sale. Email offers personalized and direct access to your audience. A recent survey that the buying discussion of 59% of participants was influenced by email marketing. Emails can also be used to target the purchase of product. Here, one of the flowchart importance of using email of affiliate marketing. 99% of customer go through their email each day. 99% of your customer go through your email. Okay, that's why you must be have to add your email in your SEO, like in your business purpose use. 50% of people check their inbox up to their 10 times per day. Okay, there are 4 billion activities email user worldwide. Okay, here if you read this to the 2 in 3 marketer says that email represent their biggest RU. 59% of customers says marketing email influence their purchase discussion. If we discuss on another hand, besides there are an effective communication channel that the help of engage your audience and drive the conservation. Okay, people on your contact list are already interested in your niches and having wingly opted in your email list. So converting them to purchase the product or service or you're promoting will be lot easier than conservational effective marketing technique, where you will have to post link on websites or blogs. And introducing emails into affiliate marketing can help us boost communications with emails. You can two birds which one stood by promoting your content in your companion and simultaneously like promoting your affiliated patron. For whom affiliate marketing marketing work best? For whom affiliate marketing is the most suitable? For companions and influence, for who are interested in building personal connections. One of the one of the reason is effective is because most people are easier influenced into purchasing products recommended by someone they trust. That typically means that business are can't establish a personal touch with their audience should not be involved in affiliated marketing. Affiliated marketing must be important for you, all of you guys, if you want to promote your business and optimize your business. This is the most important thing for all of your friends and guys. Like, you must have to understand this thing. 9 out of 10 customer trust recommendations from people they know, and 7 out of 10 customer identify word of mouth has a key influence in their purchasing discussions. You understand. I hope so you are all of you are understand how to affiliate marketing through an email. uh, if we again want to understand this, we have to discuss all of these things. As mentioned before, affiliated email marketing involves generating sales through email rather than social media content or organically website traffic. Affiliate marketing is majorly focused on their use email list to promote affiliated products or services to their subscribers. Uh, what not to do? What we don't? What should we have to avoid from there? Even before you start your campaign, you need to remember that one thing: number of rules for using affiliated links. Although many people may say that the money is the least to be senses that the money is the relationship that building with the list. Okay. And the most important part about influence subscribers to purchase something to first learn their trust, understanding their needs, and offer them something to value that rather than the trying to sell or load up your email with affiliates link every time. This keep this thing keep your customer from getting angry with you. Okay, so be avoid all of these type of things. Beside too many links, promotion might cause of your email provider close your account. And what should you have to do? It should be must you have to do, people of your all of you guys, when adding affiliated links to your email, including with them valuable email content to you can be added them to ongoing campaign. Decipher the placement of your affiliated links must keep but keep in mind that it all depends on your audience. Do not add affiliated links for the sake of ensure that will be valuable in create your solution your audience, all of you guys. So if you want to understand more about affiliated marketing, you have to go my sites, and you will all search there. And I hope so your satisfaction must be satisfied with my channels and my videos. So thank you so much to views my video. Allah Hafiz.